Hi, this is Dr. Hayward. I wanted to talk to you about using this T map, which you're familiar with. You might have to download it, or you can type it directly onto the document. If you type it directly onto the document, be sure to save your document because you're going to be using it later on to do actually your first draft. So you can, you don't have to give it a title right now, whatever your writing piece is, because sometimes we do the titles later. So what you're going to do first is find the facts that you researched yesterday. Maybe you found 2 or 3 facts, and then you're going to write your opinions about your topic here. So, for example, if you're writing about your cat and you really want a cat, you might say, or a dog, or a parakeet, or a snake. I'm going to write about a snake. Snakes are easy pets to keep. So, and in my research, I found 3 bits of information. I found that I can buy snake food at the pet store. So snake food can be bought at the pet store. At the pet store. I also found out that snakes don't have to eat every day. They only eat every couple of days. So I'm going to write that down. Snakes don't eat every day. And I also found out that that when you buy the food for the snakes, that you buy a lot of it at one time. So you can store the snake food in the refrigerator. So snake food can be bought in large quantities, in large amounts. Okay, so that's one way I can say that snakes are easy pets to keep. I have my opinion, and then I have 3 bits of information on this side that are facts about my snake food, and maybe I got it from Wikipedia. So I'm going to write my source here. It's all from Wikipedia. Then I'm going to, so I want to keep this. So this is like put this number 1, and I'm going to put this as 1A, 1B, and 1C. I'm also going to add this other bit. This other bit it has to do with the food, and it's not necessarily a positive thing, but I think it's an important bit of information that snake food is unusual. Unusual, and so unusual, and so it is. So it can be gross to some people. Oh, now I'm wondering if this, because it's an idea of gross, as I'm thinking about this out loud, I'm thinking, maybe this is over here. I can say snake food is unusual because the snake food that I'm familiar with are animals that used to be alive. So maybe this goes over here. They're easy pets to keep. But now, do you see how now I'm kind of changing my mind? Like I'm thinking about this, that maybe this needs to go into a different place. And is that okay that I do that as the writer? Yes, because this is kind of a thinking sheet where I need to sort out, is what I'm writing, does it belong here or does it belong here? And that's perfectly fine. At the end, when you finish this, you should have 3 opinions and then 3 facts to go with each opinion. So I'm going to say that again. 3 opinions at least and 3 facts that go with your opinion. And remember when we wrote about our ice cream, we wrote that our ice cream, I'm looking for it in the classroom, that our ice cream, we said that it comes in a lot of different flavors, and so you then had to write the different flavors. You know, I like vanilla ice cream. I think it's the best. And then my next favorite is slightly melted coffee ice cream. So that's the pattern that we're going to be using when we write this. If you have any questions, as usual, just let me know. All right, bye.